Do you want to make that $100 in a day and you don't know how to go about it? In today's video, I'm going to be teaching us how to generate a template link with your Canva and sell your designs on st.com. Okay, you can actually make up to $100 or more in a day, right? Selling template link. And there's a difference between a template links and editable links. In this video, I'm going to elaborate the difference to you so that you don't sell your original product to your customers. Okay? My name is Bumi and popularly known as Tech with Bumi. So I teach people how to make money online in the legit way. Okay? If you're interested in making money, creating digital products, and scaling your finances, selling digital products, then this is a plug, okay? Without any further ado, let's dive straight to the main tutorials for today. Cheers. So tech lovers, I'm going to show you how to share this template. This is a fruit coloring book I created. I can sell it as a template and you can either put it on Amazon KDP, okay? But I'm going to sell it as digital template. Okay, a template is, there's a way you can share the link so that it's going to be the person that's going to buy the template link can style it the way he or she wants to style it. Okay, you can change a lot of things to suit your own style, because this is mine. And if you come to share, so if you come to share and you copy this link, to copy this link is as if you're sharing your old design, okay? And if the person is editing it, your main design will be edited. So to avoid that, you click, if you see three buttons there, you just click see all, or like now I already created the template for this, so I can just click on um, template links, okay? So a template link will be generated for us, and this is the template link, which is copy. We'll copy it. If you copy this template link and we'll open another tab. So this is how it's gonna show us, and it's going to say you can edit this template to suit your taste and you upload it. But before, there's another way I want to show you now. If you're done with this, you created the design, you created your link, right? And you copy. So if you come back to this share, you're going to see that your link is live, okay? If your link is not live, that is, it didn't create properly. And I guess that is the pro version that can only access the template link. So if you want to sell your template link, you need to sign up for the pro version of Canva. Okay, anywhere you see this crown is for the pro version, because I have the paid version of Canva, right? So now I'll make a copy of this and I'll show you what I'm going to do next. You come to file and you say make a copy. Okay, now it generated a copy for me, and I'm just going to um okay, let me do this like this, because okay, it generated this for me, and this is the page. So I'm going to make some changes here. I'm going to remove, so now let's do something else. I'm going to download this and we'll generate our link. And we are going to post it on st, okay? Because buyers have to see what they want to click. Okay, so I come here, let's move this. I come here, I click on download. I'm just going to be downloading page one. Okay, I'm only going to download page one, and I will download. So I'm going to come to home page because I'm going to design another design. Let me use this as an example, right? So I'm going to upload what I downloaded, and I'll bring it here. I can let me put the background color here just for the purpose of this video. Um, yeah, let me do this like this. So I'm going to do something like this. Then I'm going to look for purchase now. Come to element and I'll look for purchase order. Okay. So click on this. I will just, so I click on this. So you right click, purchase. You can put any symbol you like. You can put you can, yeah, just like this. You can design it the way you want but for the purpose of this video, this is how we're going to create this. Then you come here, you click on link, and just going to paste the link. I'm going to paste the link. I need to be sure of that link. So I will come to share again, and yeah, you see all generated. So I'm so I'm going to come here again, and we're going to generate our link. I want to show you. So this is how I did it. You right click here after generating your link, then you see this link. But because we've linked it already, so you're going to paste your link here. So it's done. So the mistake people do is that you come back here, you don't download. You click on download. You don't download with PNG because you're not going to get the best of the link. You must not do that and send to your customers. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to come here and we change it to PDF standard. Okay. And we're going to download it. So this is what it's saying. If you click on it now, you see that our link is here, and this is this is the template, and you can sell this. So now we're going to come to ST, and I'll show you where we can upload this link. I mean, this design, this PDF. It's going to tell us to upload it. Anytime your customer pays, the downloadable, what we downloaded the customer is going to get it, and the customer will download it for his or her use. Okay. So let me show you what we're going to do next. So this is our ST account, and you come here. I'm not going to do here. I can do that later, okay? But because this is a tutorial, so you're going to add call details. We're selling a digital file. So I'll click on digital file. I'll click on I'll click on digital file, and who made it? I did. I generated it. It's a finished product. Yes, I did. Well, I will apply. So you say, when did you make it? I made it now. That's 2025. It was created by me. Okay, it was created by me. If it's AI generated, you click on AI generated. It was created by me. It say add production partner. I don't have a production partner, so I'm going to apply. So it's going to tell me instant instant downloadable. Okay, so it's going to ask it to tag like this. So let's see. You can add your price. Then it will tell me to add my file. So I'll just add this file. So that's how, and as you can see, buyers can download this file as soon as they completed their purchase. Okay, so this is how you're going to add it on ST, and you can add the price. So I can put any price here. I can put either $7. I can estimated any. Okay, let's put $5 or $6. Okay, so just an example, put your price, you do your price research, okay, and you add your quantity. Then after filling everything, you add your title, You had more photos, the mock-up you did, and you're good to go. Then you publish. Okay, so that's the end of our video for today. Thank you for watching. If you got value from this video, kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. And let me know if you're going to create your first digital product. If you need help, do not hesitate to check my description for my one-on-one section. Okay? See you in my next video. Bye for now. Cheers.